drive-through window. Look what's waiting for you. Oh, carrots. Drive up and get carrots.
Have him come to you. See how much rounder it is there?
Beck, is this your new job? You rounding them up? Where are you sending them?
So his go-to is to free the predators, right? So now we make him walk. We don't make him do anything, we ask him to walk. I have my arm to
Yes.
push him away.
Yes, because he does want to go into you for reassurance.
No, not for reinsurance. He's untrained. He's like fresh out of the womb. And he doesn't know boundaries. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So it's very rare that I see a horse that is this raw. And this is a really good opportunity for all of you to see, because you come to like a Dominique clinic, you're going to see Jill's students that are far ahead, but this is like the beginning steps of how we create a horse. Nope, unauthorized. And stop. See? Brilliant. Brilliant. Nice baby. Nice baby. choose what you're doing. Good boy. Good boy. And I'm opting not to do a side rein. This horse is on the bit. So we're not gonna muddy the water.
He's really gentle with my girl, like they adore each other. Like we're trying to get my kid to play with him. It's adorable. Yeah.
Nice, baby.
Whole Quebec thing is blowing my mind.
I know. You see this a lot with Quebec?
That's the first time I've ever seen him do anything like that.
Oh, Quebec? That's my boy. Superb. What a brave boy. Brave. Brave. Nice, baby. Nice. That's my boy. Good spots back. Good.